Hey, join us today. We'll be staying in the Julius Tower as we check into a 710 square foot Julius Premium Studio Suite. This is our first time checking into Caesars using the automated kiosk. Mindy did it and it was quick and easy. We're in room 887. I really like the layout of this room. A lot of the Julius Tower suites have an unusual shape, but all the spaces are very usable. The room comes with a minibar. Interesting decor. It's a very comfortable king-size bed. They give you plenty of pillows. Has your minibar snacks and a Keurig. I recommend bringing your own coffee pods. That $20 box of Gourmet coffee is actually donut shop coffee that you can get at Walmart for about 30 cents a cup. Don't ask me how I know that. The room has a decent sized closet, ironing board, and a safe. The safe is plenty big enough for a MacBook. A full-length mirror and the bathroom are right by the entrance. It's a good sized bathroom with a glass enclosed walk-in shower. Dual sinks, very clean and plenty of counter space. There's a couple of windows, but we only had a view of the neighboring Caesars buildings. I like a room that's big enough to play tag. The living area is very comfortable. Couch, chair, tables, and a work desk. Seems like more than 710 square feet. Very well laid out. While you're at Caesars, we highly recommend checking out Vanderpump Garden. They have a lot of great drinks. Most recently, we loved the Rome is Burning. It's a very smooth and smoky Manhattan cocktail for two.
Rome is burning. Yeah,